Hello, boys and girls. Today I am going to teach you 4 different strategies for adding. I know you guys just watched the 4 different strategies on the video, so I'm just going to give you a little overview of exactly what you just watched, but maybe a little bit more in depth or a little bit different way of doing it. So the first strategy we have here is called the counting all strategy. I'm going to use my pen. So as you can see here, we have 4 plus 3. So what I'm going to do here is I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 up here, and 1, 2, 3 down here. So in order to count all, that means we have to count every single one of these to figure out how many we have total. So we're going to count all by starting at the first one and saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So therefore, we know that 4 plus 3 equals 7. So that's our first strategy. It's called counting all. You start at the beginning and you count each of your chips. Our next strategy is called counting on. Counting on is a little different than counting all, and here is how it's different. So with counting on, you start with a number and then you count on from that number. So for example, we already know that there are 4 chips up here. So I'm just going to write the number 4 in here. Then we are going to count on from that number. So I know I have 4 here. So I'm going to count my next number, which would be 5, my next number, which would be 6, and my last number, which would be 7. As you can see, we don't start from 1 when we are counting on. We start with one of the 2 numbers in the problem and count on from there. Our next strategy is called the bridging 10 strategy, and I'm just going to click out of here so that I can use my mouse. Okay. Now, the bridging 10 strategy is making a group of 10 so that it makes it easier to solve the problem. So for example, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blue pieces here. But I can make a group of 10 by moving 2 of my red pieces up. You know what? I have this on infinite cloner, so let me take that off. So let me redo this real quick. I have 8 blue pieces here, and then if I move 2 pieces up, I now have a group of 10. So then I would write this problem as, let me get my pen tool. I would write this problem as 10 plus 3. So you're making a group of 10. So you're regrouping and bridging to make a group of 10. And I automatically know that 10 plus 3 equals 13. This is called finding a landmark number. So 10s are landmark numbers. Any other number, 10, 20, 30, for example, are all landmark numbers. So that would be that example. Finding a group of, or making a group of 10 and then finding out what you have left from that. All right, and our final strategy that I'm going to teach you is called the near double strategy. So I have this problem up here, 8 plus 7 equals blank. I may not know what 8 plus 7 is, but if I know my doubles, I know that 7 plus 7 equals 14. And if I know that 7 plus 7 equals 14, therefore I know that 8 plus 7 is 1 more, so 8 plus 7 equals 15. Again, I know my doubles are 7 plus 7 equals 14. I know 8 plus 7 would only be one more than 7 plus 7, so therefore I know that 8 plus 7 equals 15. All right, boys and girls, well, I hope you enjoyed the different strategies that I have showed, and I hope this helps you with identifying addition problems and using different strategies. Thank